Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to know toll roads on Google Maps. So let's say for example, I am selected for my location somewhere in between this, let me say this location, right? So I'm going to select that location for example, right? And I'm going to hit direction from here, right? So you're going to notice there's going to be tolls on my road, right? And from where I'm going, right, until I reach to my place, you're gonna notice there is gonna be some tolls right in the blue line. If you haven't found it, you're lucky, but if you if you did find it, you're gonna be able to see it right here and on your road. So if you want to avoid it, you could just go back right here and go back to the main Google Maps and then click your avatar icon at the top right, click on the settings, and then just go ahead to the navigation and just scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see the route option. You could just go ahead and enable avoid tolls. That means that you're gonna avoid the tolls on your road and they will navigate you to alternative or better way to avoid tolls. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.